UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, is a networking protocol that allows devices on your local network, like your gaming console PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, to automatically discover each other and establish connections without manual configuration. For Spectrum routers, enabling UPnP dynamically opens ports, which is crucial for achieving an Open NAT type. A strict or moderate NAT can lead to lag, connectivity issues, and problems with multiplayer gaming. UPnP simplifies this by automating port forwarding, eliminating the need to manually configure ports like UDP 3074 for Xbox Live. Essentially, UPnP streamlines your gaming experience by optimizing network connections for smoother online play. However, be aware that UPnP is often disabled by default on newer routers to mitigate risks like malware exploitation or unauthorized access. First, connect to your Spectrum router's Wi-Fi network or via Ethernet. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address. This is usually 192.168.1.1 or 92.168.0.1. Check your router's label or the Spectrum app if you're unsure. Log in using your admin username and password, often admin or a password provided on the router itself. Navigate to the UPnP settings, typically found under Advanced UPnP or Network UPnP. Enable the UPnP option and save the changes. To ensure the settings take effect, reboot both your Spectrum router and your gaming console. Finally, check your NAT type in your console's network settings, e.g. Xbox network settings, to confirm it is now open. If you have a different interface, check Spectrum support chat or forums. Remember to weigh the convenience of UPnP against potential security concerns. For advanced users, VPNs or router apps that offer secure alternatives are increasingly popular.